Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 bicycle seats. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Seller Royal Bicycle Saddle Origin Italy Bike Seat. Specifications: is customized, yes. Size, 8 sizes. Model number, A13,513. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, imitation leather. Use, mountain bikes. Origin, mainland China. The item number 4 is mountain bike seat. Specifications: brand name, ZTTO. Product name, RK90 saddle. Rail, chrome molybdenum steel. Cover, nylon. Padding, high-grade EVA. Base, engineer-grade plastic. Weight, 273 grams plus 10. Size, 270 by 140 ohm. Shell material, leather. Use, mountain bikes. As the item number 3 we've selected, Saddles bicycle seat. Specifications: brand name, Lexon. Size, 250 by 143/240 by 140. Model number, X6P saddle. Category, back seat mat. Shell material, leather. Use, road bicycles. Origin, mainland China. The item number 2 is mixed full carbon fiber 5D Ultra Pack. Specifications: brand name, mixed. Size, 250 by 143 ohm. Model number, 5D. Category, front seat mat. Shell material, carbon. Use, road bicycles. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have road bike cycling seat. Specifications: brand name, Lexon. Size, 255 by 150. Model number, Air Code. Category, back seat mat. Shell material, carbon fiber. Use, road bicycles. Origin, mainland China. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.